Let's see what is available for us. First thing that we want to focus is creator marketplace. So essentially you sign up over here and you are going to be getting a lot of paid sponsorships. So there are people out there who are running brands, who are running, drop shipping, own handcrafted jewelries, or anything related to products, right? So these people might reach out to you when they see that you're part of the program, and they're gonna offer you, let's say, 300, 500, $1,000 for you to make a video with their own products. If you click on the eligibility, you will see that the requirements over here are not so crazy, right? So we have to be at least 18 years of age. You should have at least 10,000 followers. They highlight real followers. I don't know how TikTok actually measures whose followers are real and who isn't. You should have posted at least 3 videos or more in the last 30 days, and you should have 1,000 real video views or more in the last 30 days. This is simply in relation towards bots. No one wants to have a bots that just created their account. They purchase, the followers. They purchase the views. This is why they estimate that the followings and the views should appear at least for the last 30 days. So this is pretty lucrative. I have a second channel that is actually part of this and part of the creativity program beta. I received a couple of offers, but unfortunately none of these merchants were actually serious. They send an offer, I accept the offer, and they never send me the products. I don't know what actually happened, but you can definitely look into this and sign up if you actually qualify and meet all the requirements.